Hi, everyone. Lovely to see you again. This is live from Limmud, and I'm here with
Gil Hovav.
who is a dear friend of CSP and Mr. Ari Katz. And
Yes.
now I've borrowed him as a friend myself. It's one of the perks of working for CSP. You get to meet new friends. It's lovely to have you here, Gil.
It's lovely to be here.
And maybe what I'll ask you is from all the talks you gave and are still going to give here at Limmud, which is your favorite right now?
Um, I think my favorite is the talk about Eliezer Ben-Yehuda, my great grandfather, and the miracle of the revival of Hebrew, because I know that many people are aware of the miracle that occurred and that, we didn't have a language and now we do. We didn't have a state and now we do, etc. But when people hear about the sacrifice and the effort and all what he did and all what he gave, it gives them a different perspective. And I always feel that it's a privilege to let people know that this annoying, short, red-headed person was a prophet, and I'm very proud of him.
Beautiful. Thank you. Um, do you have, obviously that CSP is a community of learners, and do you have any tips for learning?
Whoa. I think that one should not be too curious. I think what I found out about
Can
myself
you
that
see my face? I'm a curious cat. That sounds like the opposite of anything I would say. What?
I found out that when I try to be adventurous with lectures and when I go to something that I know that is totally out of my, field, usually I don't have fun. So it's not that I'm saying, just look at the 4 yards around you, but don't be too adventurous. If you're going to a conference or if you have a selection, pick something safe. It's
Okay.
good.
So it's really nice that actually CSP is very high quality control. For those of you who don't know, I'm here at Limmud basically scouting the best speakers for CSP. So we're doing that for you. Everything on our menu has been carefully selected and picked so that
Mm-hmm.
you can actually enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I totally disagree with you.
Yes, 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 yes. I know. This is why I wanted to say it because I wanted to see you faint, and I'm very happy that it worked. Oh, yes.
Okay, so curious or not, we hope you enjoy the next sessions that you see online and looking forward to bringing for you more fascinating people that we meet in Limmud, some old friends and some new ones.
Did you just call me old?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay,
I
thank you,
take it as a
everyone.
compliment.
Bye.
Bye bye.